Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite Crypto Corner. The final countdown is live and Peep is about to flip the switch. We've covered this gem before, and now the pre-sale update is stacked with the biggest moves yet. Whether you're already holding or you're still watching from the sidelines, what's coming next has the potential to shake the entire chain. Stay locked in and let's check it out. Alright guys, as you can see, Peep is officially confirmed to list on October 31st with Mexi Global, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, OKX, and more than 15 other Tier 1 and US exchanges already locked in. One of the strongest signals I always watch for is when tokens start moving into central exchange hot wallets, because that usually means a listing is about to drop. As you know, most teams do this quietly, so early buyers cannot front run it, and right now we're seeing exactly that pattern with Peep. The on-chain activity, the confirmed exchange lineup, and the hype across the community all line up perfectly. Honestly, to me, this looks like the textbook setup before a breakout listing, and the final pieces are sliding into place fast. That being said, guys, if you've been waiting for the proof, this is the moment to keep your eyes locked on Peep, and the numbers make it even clearer. Discovered early at 0.003, it's now sitting around 0.031, already delivering 10x return, and the rumored $3 listing price would put it on track for a theoretical 1000x from the start. That is the kind of setup you do not see often, especially with a pre-sale entry that is still considered low compared to where it could go once exchanges open the floodgates. As an analyst, I always look at whether price action is backed by real momentum, and with this kind of exponential upside on the table, the math and the hype both point in the same direction. As I said, Pepe's listings are lining up, but what really excites me is how the community rewards are structured. The project has already raised over 10,000 Ethereum, with 5% of it flowing straight into dual rewards pool. And that pool, my friends, could end up surpassing 2 million USDT. If Ethereum pushes to $5,000 on listing day, every Peep holder gets rewarded in Ethereum, and if it doesn't, you will still win with rewards in Peep itself, backed by 10% of the tokenomics. Ethereum is sitting near 4,300 right now and inching closer to the 5K mark, meaning that those 5% community rewards could surge more than 4x in value, guys. With Ethereum heating up and layer 2 ecosystems exploding, Peep is definitely positioned right in the middle of this momentum. This is for sure making the reward setup one of the strongest I've seen going into a launch. On top of the community rewards, the pre-sale bonus system is live right now on their widget, and the earlier and bigger you buy, the higher your tier goes. At this moment, you can grab an extra 15% bonus Peep, but it's a limited time setup that will not last once the window closes. Those who move fast lock in more tokens for the same entry, which can compound quickly once exchange trading begins. And I have to say that it doesn't stop at bonuses. Peep is also rolling out its own custom-built zero-cut launchpad with zero fees. It's a dedicated platform that is designed for meme-fueled tokens and future community projects, which is making it a central part of the Peep ecosystem. Traders get 0% buy and sell tax, instant trading the moment CGI goes live, and ecosystem tools that are built to fuel liquidity and viral growth. There is no middleman, no restrictions, and there is full transparency. And from my perspective, that combination is a big advantage. A launchpad like this creates the infrastructure for community-driven projects to thrive while giving Peep the foundation to secure long-term momentum. And that foundation ties directly into staking, where Peep is offering a massive 150% APY. With compounding, that that means that tokens can grow 2.5x in just 1 year, and if the price climbs during that time, the gains stack on top of the yield for multi-layer upside. For example, guys, staking 1000 PEEP could leave you with around 2,500 tokens after a year, and if price momentum pushes from cents into dollars, that is the kind of math that could turn small entries into life-changing returns. From an analyst perspective, staking at this scale creates sticky holders who reduce sell pressure and fuel long-term price stability, while also rewarding the community in a big way. It's exactly the type of mechanism that can multiply both token value and loyalty, which is giving this one of the strongest setups I've seen this cycle. But I have to highlight that that kind of staking power is only amplified by the exposure PEEP is getting right now. They're taking over social media with thousands of influencers pushing the message worldwide, and YouTube already packed with videos about this gem. The marketing keeps ramping up day by day, fueling momentum and expanding reach fast. And from everything I'm seeing, PEEP is definitely gearing up to dominate this cycle. Make sure you're plugged into their socials so you do not miss the massive updates and announcements lined up. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.